Hey guys, let's make easy sweet potato cupcakes. These are my favorite fall cupcakes of the season as they are made with antioxidant-rich sweet potatoes which are now in season, so make full advantage of that. Also, these are healthy, gluten-free, sugar-free and keto-friendly at the same time. So ditch the guilt and let's get baking. So you simply start by taking some mashed sweet potatoes in a bowl. Now you want to mash it up really well using a fork so that you lose out on all the lumps. Next goes into cracked eggs, some low-fat milk. For the sweet I'm adding xylitol. You can add any sugar-free sweetener of your choice, some coconut oil and vanilla extract. Bring it all together using a fork or a whisk. Next goes in the dry ingredients. I'll add oats flour, coconut flour. For the fall spices, I'm adding ground cinnamon, cloves, ginger and cardamom. To get it baking, I'm adding baking powder and a pinch of sea salt. I'll bring it all together using a spatula, and once this is nicely creamy and lump-free, I'll transfer this to my lined muffin tin and get this baking at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. And once these cupcakes are cooled down, I'll top with a cream cheese frosting. It's nothing but room temperature cream cheese combined with some cinnamon. You want to beat it up until smooth, transfer it to a piping bag, top with your favorite nozzle and frost these cupcakes. These are my favorite sweet potato cupcakes because they are so easy and healthy at the same time. They are having healthy vitamins and minerals like beta carotene, vitamin C and potassium. Did you know that studies have shown sweet potatoes positively impact your gut health, your brain health and even your immune health? So do give this a try, and if you have any questions, post it below in the comment section. Also follow Recipe Magic for more such easy and healthy desserts which are guilt-free and so delicious. So there you go, my easy keto sweet potato cupcakes are baked and ready. These are so easy to make. The frosting is my best part because it's cinnamon and cream cheese, perfect for the fall season. Do give this a try, and if you have any questions, post it below in the comment section so that I can answer them for you. Also find the full recipe and the macros in the description box and the comment section below. Comment below which next healthy keto dessert recipe you want to see me baking up on this channel, and have a great day ahead.